In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the QID in Salesforce quickly and efficiently. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a handy refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner and locate the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to various settings within Salesforce, providing you access to an array of options that can help tailor your experience. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Setup. This will take you to the more detailed settings and configuration screen, where you can make the modifications or retrieve the information you need. Once you're in Advanced Setup, you'll notice there's a quick Find box in the top left corner of the screen. This box is incredibly useful for navigating Salesforce because it allows you to search for specific terms and menu items quickly. Go ahead and type Qs into the Quick Find box.